I could go back to my 20s and check some financial sense into myself, I totally would, because the truth is I wasted money, I ignore my future and make the same mistakes most people don't realize until it's too late. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 personal finance lessons I wish someone had told me in my 20s, lessons that would have saved me years of stress, debt, and feeling stuck. Lesson number 1, budgeting isn't restricting, it's freedom. In my 20s, I honestly avoided budgeting because I thought it meant I couldn't enjoy life. Like no eating out, no coffee, no spending on things I wanted. But don't get me wrong, I knew that how much I earned and only spent minimal amount of my total pay, then I thought it's okay if I spend less than I earned, it's worth good enough. The reality is no. The lesson I learned was budgeting gave me permission to spend without guilt, because every dollar has a purpose. Minimalism helped me to shift my mindset. Instead of tracking every little expense, I simplified. I gave myself a weekly spending amount and stuck into it. Tip for you, try a minimalist budget to stay in control without overwhelm. The link in the description below. Lesson number 2, that isn't normal, it's optional. I treated credit card and personal loans as just part of life, as other people do. Swiping for little things felt normal until suddenly the interest snowballed and I was just trying to catch up every month. Minimalism taught me to stop seeing debt as a tool and start seeing it as a thief. Because debt isn't just steal your money, it steals your peace of mind. Carrying debt means paying for your past instead of investing in the future. Tip: live below your means early and avoid buying things on Reddit to impress other people. You must spend less than you earn so you can have cash flow. We all know income minus expenses equal cash flow. For example, if you earn $5,000 a month and your expenses is $6,500, it means you have negative cash flows. $1,500 means you will fall into debt. If you earn $5,000 a month and your expenses is $4,000, it means you have positive cash flow. $1,000 means you have extra money to save and invest. Before, I'm going to tell you the most painful lessons, but also the most valuable one in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. Lesson number 3, this is the most crucial lesson I learned in my 20s. It is, time is more valuable than money. People say that time equals money, but no, time is more valuable than money. I was wasting too much energy and time on chasing extra cash throughout extra jobs and overtime. I thought I earned $25 per hour if I work 12 hours a day instead of 8 hours a day. I can earn extra. 8 hours multiplied $25 equal $200 a day. If I work 12 hours a day, multiplied by $25 is equal $300 a day. Mean I earn an extra $100 a day. So I can spend on other things I want. I got attracted to that circle months to months, years to years in my 20s, until one day I recognized I was tired, burnout, and had no saving despite I worked more hours over years. Now I want to turn back into my 20s, but only dream. Therefore, time is your most precious asset. You should use it to better skill, relationship, and health. After watching this video, you should start viewing money as a tool to support the life you want. Don't work for money, let the money work for you. This leads to lesson number 4 I want to share with you today is starting investing way earlier. I used to think saving and investing were something for later to worry about. But here's the truth, time is money best friend. In your 20s, you have the one thing most people wish they could buy back in. I thought I needed a lot of money and knowledge to invest. But even saving just $100 a month in your 20s can snowball into thousands later. That's the secret weapon of compound interest. But I didn't get serious until years later, and that delay cost me. Tip: don't wait for the big income. Start with any amount, even just $20 a month in a simple index fund or super fund. Let the habit grow with you. The final lesson I'm going to share with you is most of us encounter it some point in our life, and this is your spending reflects your priorities, so know them. We spend emotionally and unconsciously to escape boredom, stress, comparison, or for whatever the reason is. Knowing your emotional spending is the priority before swiping your card in any purchases. Therefore, every dollar spent is a vote for the life you are building in the future. Tip: track your spending for 30 days, then ask, does this align with the life you actually want? The earlier you learn this, the easier your 30s, 40s, and beyond will be. And even if you are not in your 20s anymore, it's never too late to reset. That is my 5 personal finance lessons I wish I knew in my 20s. Which lesson hit you the hardest today? Let me know in the comment. And as I said in lesson number 5, your spending reflects your values. Watch this next video to learn how to stop buying things, to save and invest more.